Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. I'm going to do a real quick vinyl wrap video for you guys today. In a previous video, I did mention that I picked up this carbon fiber hood. This is the BMW GTS style hood, but this one is a replica, but the fitment is very, very good. I had them fitted on before I bought it just to make sure I didn't regret the purchase. I'm very happy with it. I don't have a huge bump in the front here, which sometimes you find that they can have. So the fitment's great, but we do have this hard edge in the front, and I want to experiment a little bit. So I have some extra Nardo gray vinyl from the original wrap. I'm gonna run it along here and then play with these body lines and see if it can look just a little more seamless. So there's my extra Nardo gray wrap from Vivid Ultra Gloss series. I'm gonna put it on there. Then we gotta play with a little bit of this crazy camo look. You can see that on the old hood up there. Looks immaculate. And I think I was kind of crazy that day because it's pretty wacky. But anyway, the camera doesn't do it justice in the sunlight or at dark under the street lights. This does look pretty good, kind of menacing actually. So stick around. I'm gonna do a time lapse for most of this. I'll show you some of the steps. Should be a quick video. So let's go. All right, wish me luck. I took some measurements and eyeballed a lot of this, but I think it looks pretty good. Let's lay some vinyl. All right, we got the vinyl on, we got the base anyway. Now we're gonna get crazy and do some cutouts. I think my lines turned out really well. You saw the wife there helping me. Always nice to have an extra pair of hands when you're doing vinyl work. Anyway, I'll get wifey to help me cut out some more crazy shapes and we'll put them on. We'll see how it turns out. There's a car show today, so we're gonna go drive it. It's called Cruise Night. Is that what it's called?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to take it out and see if we can turn maybe 1 or 2 heads. Let's go. Okay guys, it's done. I pulled it outside in the driveway. Let's have a closer look. There's a little bit of wind, so don't mind that. And the reveal. Oh yeah. A little more integrated now. The camera just does not pick up the right color. You're gonna have to trust me or go check it out on Instagram. But yeah, the camera just doesn't do it justice. You can kind of see when the sun hits it on the side. You see the satin and all the camel. Anyway, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we will talk to you next time.